美式英语频率最高的1200句，每天1小时，3个月听懂美国人。May I see the wine list, please?
May I see the wine list, please?
请给我看一下酒单。May I see the wine list, please?
May I see the wine list, please?
You look good in the red skirt.
You look good in the red skirt.
您穿上这个红裙子看起来真不错。You look good in the red skirt.
You look good in the red skirt.
Do you have a smaller one?
Do you have a smaller one?
你们有没有小点的？ Do you have a smaller one?
Do you have a smaller one?
I don't like this taste.
I don't like this taste.
我不喜欢这种口味。I don't like this taste.
I don't like this taste.
Are these grapes ripe?
Are these grapes ripe?
这些葡萄熟了吗？ Are these grapes ripe?
Are these grapes ripe?
Are these watermelons sweet?
Are these watermelons sweet?
这些西瓜甜吗？ Are these watermelons sweet?
Are these watermelons sweet?
The strawberries look good.
The strawberries look good.
这些草莓看起来不错。The strawberries look good.
The strawberries look good.
Is this bread fresh?
Is this bread fresh?
这面包是今天做的吗？ Is this bread fresh?
Is this bread fresh?
This skirt is suitable for me.
This skirt is suitable for me.
这个裙子很适合我。This skirt is suitable for me.
This skirt is suitable for me.
Those shoes are too expensive.
Those shoes are too expensive.
那双鞋太贵了。Those shoes are too expensive.
Those shoes are too expensive.
The SE socks feel comfortable.
The SE socks feel comfortable.
这袜子摸上去很舒服。The SE socks feel comfortable.
The SE socks feel comfortable.
You can buy this kind of mop.
You can buy this kind of mop.
你可以买这种布。You can buy this kind of mop.
You can buy this kind of mop.
This is very convenient to clean.
This is very convenient to clean.
这种清洁起来很方便。This is very convenient to clean.
This is very convenient to clean.
Could you bring me the bill?
Could you bring me the bill?
你能把账单拿来吗？ Could you bring me the bill?
Could you bring me the bill?
Can I help with the bill?
Can I help with the bill?
我来付账可以吗？ Can I help with the bill?
Can I help with the bill?
I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it.
我来付账。I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it.
I'm paying tonight.
I'm paying tonight.
今晚我来付账。I'm paying tonight.
I'm paying tonight.
I'll treat you.
I'll treat you.
我请你。I'll treat you.
I'll treat you.
Let's split the bill.
Let's split the bill.
咱们 AA 制吧。Let's split the bill.
Let's split the bill.
We would like to pay separately.
We would like to pay separately.
我们想分开付账。We would like to pay separately.
We would like to pay separately.
Can I pay by credit card?
Can I pay by credit card?
我可以用信用卡付款吗？ Can I pay by credit card?
Can I pay by credit card?
Which credit cards do you accept?
Which credit cards do you accept?
你们这里可以刷哪种信用卡？ Which credit cards do you accept?
Which credit cards do you accept?
Would you like a doggy bag?
Would you like a doggy bag?
您需要打包吗？ Would you like a doggy bag?
Would you like a doggy bag?
I want a doggy bag, please.
I want a doggy bag, please.
请给我一个打包袋。I want a doggy bag, please.
I want a doggy bag, please.
My order hasn't come yet.
My order hasn't come yet.
我点的菜还没来。My order hasn't come yet.
My order hasn't come yet.
Would you mind hurrying?
Would you mind hurrying?
麻烦你快点行吗？ Would you mind hurrying?
Would you mind hurrying?
This tastes strange.
This tastes strange.
味道很奇怪。This tastes strange.
This tastes strange.
This tastes so sweet.
This tastes so sweet.
这个尝起来太甜了。This tastes so sweet.
This tastes so sweet.
The meat is so tough.
The meat is so tough.
这肉太老了。The meat is so tough.
The meat is so tough.
I can't take this spicy food.
I can't take this spicy food.
我受不了这么辣的食物。I can't take this spicy food.
I can't take this spicy food.
I'd like more napkins.
I'd like more napkins.
我需要更多的餐巾纸。I'd like more napkins.
I'd like more napkins.
May I take your order now?
May I take your order now?
我现在可以点餐了吗？ May I take your order now?
May I take your order now?
What would you like to eat?
What would you like to eat?
你想吃点什么？ What would you like to eat?
What would you like to eat?
Are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order?
您可以点餐了吗？ Are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order?
What would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink?
你想喝点什么？ What would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink?
What about something to drink?
What about something to drink?
喝点东西怎么样？ What about something to drink?
What about something to drink?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
有什么推荐吗？ What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
How do you like your eggs?
How do you like your eggs?
你的鸡蛋要怎么做？ How do you like your eggs?
How do you like your eggs?
Would you like a steak?
Would you like a steak?
你想要牛排吗？ Would you like a steak?
Would you like a steak?
Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
我可以试穿吗？ Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
Which wine do you prefer?
Which wine do you prefer?
你想要哪种酒？ Which wine do you prefer?
Which wine do you prefer?
Where is your restaurant?
Where is your restaurant?
你们的餐厅在哪？ Where is your restaurant?
Where is your restaurant?
Do I need to reserve table?
Do I need to reserve table?
我需要预约吗？ Do I need to reserve table?
Do I need to reserve table?
I'd like to book a table for two.
I'd like to book a table for two.
我想订一个两人桌。I'd like to book a table for two.
I'd like to book a table for two.
I'd like a table by the window.
I'd like a table by the window.
我想订窗边的餐桌。I'd like a table by the window.
I'd like a table by the window.
Do you have a private room?
Do you have a private room?
你们有单间吗？ Do you have a private room?
Do you have a private room?
I will arrive there at 8.
I will arrive there at 8.
我8点会到那。I will arrive there at 8.
I will arrive there at 8.
How late are you open?
How late are you open?
你们几点关门？ How late are you open?
How late are you open?
The tickets are sold out.
The tickets are sold out.
没票了。The tickets are sold out.
The tickets are sold out.
I lost my ticket.
I lost my ticket.
我的票丢了。I lost my ticket.
I lost my ticket.